Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. So today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO as well as take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole and give you just my general opinion on where I think we're headed here. So without further ado, we're at 10,800 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded lion NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop in this video. So guys, we are coming up just a little bit after that small chop to the downside. We're still very, very pegged. We are above 28,000, which is good. I'm happy to see us above 29,000, which is pretty nice. But, you know, all in all, when we zoom out on the chart, we are still trading exactly where we've been trading for the past month and a half, going on 2 months. Bitcoin dominance, however, increasing significantly. Almost 49%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're at about 51%. Well, to make it appropriate, it's about 50.9% right now, but it is increasing significantly as we are starting to make our way back to the upside. And like I've been saying for a while now, guys, in my opinion, I really do believe that as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, we're going to see Bitcoin really absorb a lot of this liquidity in the market. And that's what we're seeing. I mean, we've come up almost 10% on the Bitcoin dominance level over the past year. It's quite significant. And I do think that's still going to keep increasing. So CRO is an outlier right here, flipping back and forth between. It's trying so hard to have a green day right now. It's just flipping back and forth between a 0% gain day and a minimal percent day gain. But we'll have to see how it plays out. It's just flipping back and forth, back and forth. But as of right now, everything is up since yesterday. But let's take a look over at Bitcoin, because right now on the monthly chart, we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. And I do think that you're going to see Bitcoin absorb this liquidity, and that's what's happening right now. However, it is very important to note that we are coming here on top of this $28,200 price. So we came pretty close to it yesterday, but we didn't touch it. We did not touch it. I do think that there's still opportunities for us to come down here and touch this. When I do check the overall sentiment in the market, I do notice that there is quite a lot of bearish activity. However, on top of it, I am seeing a lot of optimism, which is unfortunate, because when I see a lot of optimism saying, oh, well, it's right around the corner, it's right around the corner, we'll have a big pump, usually that indicates that we'll probably have a capitulation event, depending on where the sentiment leans more. But I do expect there to be a move to the downside before we really are off to the races, guys. I really do expect something like that to play out. I will not be shocked if we have a capitulation down. Say we test the 28,200, grind on it a little bit, volume dries up, capitulate down to 25,000. I don't really necessarily think we're going to come below 22K, but I do expect a swift move to the downside with a swift recovery. That's what I do expect. Something very, very similar to back in 2017, 2018, before we had our big move to the upside to 69,000. I expect something like that to play out. Over on CRO, unfortunately, what's happening is what we've been talking about is touching this level here at 5.5 cents. We're getting very, very close to it. Same thing with Bitcoin. Volume dries up. We grind out on it, capitulate down, close out this 5-cent price level. I expect something like that happening, especially with how Bitcoin is really, really absorbing all of this liquidity right now. And it's to be expected. It really is to be expected. The year leading to the Bitcoin halving is the year of accumulation, and it's also the year where Bitcoin steals the show. I'm prepared for that. I'm prepared for lots of liquidity to move out of these altcoins and continue to move into Bitcoin. It's not going to be forever, but as of right now, I'm personally dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum until we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. That's when I'll start talking a little bit more about my altcoin strategies. But guys, if you like these quick updates and you enjoy being in the know, I try my best to give you my opinion on where I think we're headed. I've been in this market for a long, long time, since about 2015 in the crypto space. I kind of have the general gist of where I think we'll be headed. If you enjoy this and you enjoy this knowledge, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. It really helps us out a lot. Click the join button below this video or on our homepage. You get access to our private Discord, where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to one of our members, our loyal members, each month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. That's 10 months of $500 giveaways. Super excited about that. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.